Good morning, y'all. So me and my baby girl are about to get our hygiene together right now, and I have to study my sons. They are like really behind. It's like 12. I don't know why I took a nap so late yesterday. I took a nap right after she did. I laid next to her, cuddled next to her. She always makes me sleepy every time I lay next to her. And she was in my bed last night and fell asleep and slept with us, but she fell asleep. I want to say around like, I honestly don't even remember, but I think she fell asleep at like 7 something, almost 8. And I should not let her go to sleep that early because I know she would have got up, but she did. And I went to sleep right behind her, and then I got up early. We didn't go to sleep till like 6, 7 something this morning. Please don't turn it off, no. So, yeah, we're gonna get our hygiene together. Then we're about to do her, put her some puntos and some cute knockers and barrettes in her hair. Junior, come on. What's up? You cool?
Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how to pause it.
What are you watching, Baby Shark? Yeah.
I'm not watching Baby Shark.
Yeah, what you watching there? Okay, 1 second. Okay. It's kind of hot, but see? What's that, Jim? What's that noise?
My friend.
You should acting like a cat. Oh no.
I'm a dinosaur.
Careful.
Mine
Oh, you're a dinosaur. I got you. Okay. Juju, can you bring me the spray bottle? Can you bring me that spray bottle off the couch? Thank you. You come in and shut the door. Shut it. This waist strip, okay. You don't have to lock it though. Nobody's gonna get us. This waist trainer that I wear, God, it's like, it kills me. It's from Sculpt Touch. It's a great waist trainer, but boy, is it tight.
Can you focus on me?
Would you want to go out there with Junior? You may go out there with Junior. I love this stuff. Like real bad. So y'all, I'm currently waiting for my secretary to call me back because I didn't sign a lease, and I know you usually have to, but they act like they don't care about stuff like that down here. So I'm waiting for them to call me back and let me know if I can move since they're doing month-to-month paying. Yes. Open it, Junior. Do you need help? Do you need help what? Okay, it's just not. What, you need to put this on? Take it off or I'll put it on? There you go. Yes, ma'am. I'll be out in a second, okay? Just to see if I can move from here because I'm not liking how it's like being like really ghosted by the property management. I don't understand why it's like that. And it's like, I've been here for 2 years, almost 3. June will be 3 years, and since I've been here, they've had like 5, maybe 7 different property managements working. Like, they keep selling it. I don't understand why. Like, what's so hard to keep up with this property? It's not hard at all. Like, people here are really, there's a lot of cool people here. Besides the man that stole my kid's dog and sold it. Other than that, everybody here is pretty cool. My neighbors are pretty cool. I love my neighbors. They're dope. Like, I'm close with like 2 of my neighbors. Really close. So there's Jackie and Miss Gina. I love them.
I've tried what they offered, they're not who I want them to be. That's not an offer to me. If you're mine, baby, when you ain't with me, you feel alone. And I was wondering if you always know. It don't have to be perfect, I feel like it's worth it. I know now that I've been the worst, but I love you better. Let me, let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever.
I'm probably gonna have to cut this part out because she's probably going to do a little bit of whining because she is super dramatic. But you know, something super quick and easy. Yeah, you're gonna get 2 ponytails with some barrettes and knockers at the end until your hair. No? Ponytails, okay? Okay, Ju? You're not trying to hear it? Look out, though. Okay, we back. So we got the hard part done. Now we just gotta comb these out and put, I think I'm doing braids instead of twisties because the braids will last longer. So I'm gonna comb these little poke balls out as good as I can. Okay, so we is back and I changed my mind about putting the ponytails. I mean not the ponytails, but the little single braids because she is ready to take a nap. I'm gonna let her.
Behind my tail.
It's okay. So she doesn't do like she did last night and it's up all morning. So I'm just going to comb it out, brush it out, and I'm gonna let her go and lay down. And then we're gonna have some breakfast for
Around that time, I'm gonna tell you what's on my mind. I'm fed up with you not being here with me. When you know love is all I need. I don't wanna stay. I really wanna stay. I don't want to go. I really need to know. Can we get it together? Can we get it? Yeah. And I don't wanna. How do
You want to help me crack some eggs? Okay, I cracked 2 already. Okay. Hey, look at my hair. She tricked me, y'all. It was just so she could get out of getting her hair done. She's smart, huh? No. You want to crack some eggs? You gotta put some clothes on your butt, okay? I'm about to crack some eggs. Okay, that one is the weird egg, so we're not gonna crack that one. This one is like really long. Okay. Dump it in here. Good job. So slimy. So pack it, and then you gotta put your fingers in it like that.
Oh, you hit it on me.
You don't want those in there.
Do what?
I'll let you. I know, I just waited you. I just didn't want the. Wait, baby, wait. Can you wait? Just give me a second. Let me get these white things out. Okay, so I am almost done. I need to add a little bit of milk to those eggs. Okay. What y'all running from? What I'm currently doing right now, I'm almost done. I just gotta do the French toast after this. I'm gonna turn these up just a little bit since I'm paying attention now. Okay, that looks good. That one. Yep.
Mom, I'm jumping.
You jumping?
I'm jumping on the trampoline.
You jumping on a trampoline? A pretend trampoline? Here you go. What do you say?
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna find me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying.
You ready? You want to go get it? Ready, set, go.
Junior, you cheating.
Huh?
You cheating.
What?
You cheating.
Here. Keep coming.
She can't run fast like that.
You're great. Ready, set, go.
Okay. The last thing I'm doing now is the eggs. And then I'm gonna put up their fruit. So they can have, we guys have a breakfast. It's about not even lunchtime no more, so we're having breakfast for dinner. Yep. I love breakfast though. I take breakfast like every other day, honestly. Every day is pretty much every other day or so. So I put my sausage, bacon, and my French toast all in one strainer. It's all going down the same way. So having a good time. Whoa. Dude, why are you hitting me with that pillow? Are you cool? Are you cool?
I'm not with that pillow.
Yeah, I'm asking him. I know, Mama. We gonna beat Junior up.
Mom, Daddy, I don't need to.
What?
Huh?
What'd you say?
Mom, I'm not cold.
Not cold no more? Okay, it's almost done. Juju, you ate so many pieces of bacon, you're probably not even going to want to eat. You probably just eat some fruit, I'm knowing. After I do the eggs, I just have to cut these. Woo! So cut the apple and peel the halos, and then we don't eat.
Mom, it's too hard.
Then whenever my babe gets up, we're gonna go because we have stuff to do today. Hey! No, I don't want to hear that one more time. Junior, I'm gonna tell your dad. You want me to tell your dad? Just Shyla. Don't do what he do, because he's gonna get you in trouble. That's why y'all not going outside. Oh, I don't hear no screaming now. Hey. Okay, time to make plates. Trying to burn sausages that's not so burnt, because I did burn them. I really don't know if it's burning. She's saying that she will eat.
Uh-oh. I can't see. Let's go to the movie time. No, just go to the bathroom. Juju, this is the movie. Juju, you gotta go watch the movie. You gotta stop showing there. Yeah, baby. I miss you. Juju. Movie party. Hi, Juju. It's over now. Now your turn. You guys say, you guys, everything you gonna say.
Ready? Stop.
Hi, everybody. Hi, Dada.
I'm going to use the big plate.
It's over now, Dada.
I'm not really going to eat it. Beyonce will really eat a lot of
Juju, after
this.
this,
Not
we
Beyonce's plate.
Oh my gosh.
She will not care about eating it, or he was eating still.
It's like when you put it.
Oh.